Hello and welcome back. In previous video we have not made some constant here. If user insert negative value to pay, we should say that we should not enter negative value in supermarket. It will not be possible, but we should take care in this. If we should make this pay is less than 0, that is negative, then we should print we don't accept the money, else we will do. If this is greater than or equal to 0, we can do this value here. Now here we can say that where is this is like that, I have forgot that, and this is 12. Let's print it and find it. I will enter only 1004. I think this is of $1. I will not make anything here. 1.00 amount to pay, I will paid -1. Then it will say we don't accept negative money and pay amount is same. Then we can say this is a constant. If you can add this is not anywhere, and this I will pay 2 and it is insert. Now we have to print. I want to see yes, this is 12, it is giving 12 spaces here and it is printing here. This is giving spacing here, and this will be helpful in making our amount. After that, when it has been paid, it will come out of loop. Then we should have to make, I will simply call one function, call list underscore product. This is function I will define here, where total payable. After that I will print this. Defined where that was, I will copy this so that we will make same spelling here, and look this here same we have to make n is equal to lens cart. Now for I in range, and then we should not this, we should just print here value. Print, I will print this like this. I will print two braces here so that they will align in same condition. I will give this like 12 and same this 12. You can give other also, this does not matter, but this will manage first in same position and this is second position. And let pass the format here, and we have to make another variable, that is weight also, and this is also of 12. We can decrease later that format we have to pass here 3 variable. Cart, first of all I will pass I, and this is our first position. So we should pass here kg and this also, and in second variable I will pass cart I, and second plus I should make this plus, I will concatenate it with kg, and third one I will give cart I and 3 with, I will concatenate with dollar sign here, dollar, and I will make this positive. Let's see if we get this here and run it. I will enter two element here, 1001 and 1003. I will make 2, I will make no, I will feed here 4 directly and it should give me yes, it is giving me apple 1 kg, detergent this it is its price is $0.5 and this is $3, $3 1 kg detergent. It is aligning this aligning at same position. Have you seen this aligning at same position, they are also aligning in same position, and from last they are also aligning in same position. For if you are aligning in this position, then you can make, I think, like this. Let's try it. Nothing will be, there is no cost of trying, so we can try it anywhere. Yes, here I have entered, but you may have not seen. I will close and run it again. F5, I will enter 1001 and yes 1002. Let's make no, I will pay 4. It is giving me, it is not, here should be like this, sorry, this should not be like this, this should be like this. Let's try it. There is no cost of trying. 1 and yes 1002. No, I will pay 4. Yes, this is now in same position, and we can make this 2 in same position. We can make this like this and it will arrange in same position. This is how we have arranged this. Before this we have to make some print here. I will make print. First of all I will print one line break. After that slash n, and I will make final received, and we should print it. Let's make here total amount. Here we should pass here. After this also we should pass here line break. Here I will pass here line break so that it should be attractive. Here I will now look it and see 1001. I will only enter 1 and I will give $1. Let's see, it is giving us nice looking here. Here line break, here line break, here line break, and this is a nice one. In next video we will make how many amount has paid, total amount, total payable amount, and we will pass here amount paid and give amount change given, and we will pass. Thank you, and we will make running whole loop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.